Wäre es nicht toll, wenn Batterien von selbst laden könnten? Das Startup Revibe hat eine solche Technologie erfunden. Angefangen hat die Reise 2014 in Göteborg in Schweden. Der sich durch Schwingungen selbst ladende Akku wurde teilweise in der Saab Group erfunden und hat sich zu einem Spin-off weiterentwickelt. Das Gründungsteam rund um Viktor, Erik und Per ist bereits um 3 weitere Mitglieder gewachsen. Nach mehreren Stopps bei verschiedenen Accelerator-Programmen ist Revibe in Berlin bei der Deutschen Bahn angekommen. Was ist dort passiert und gibt es ein funktionierendes Produkt?
Right now we're 95% ready, if you say it like that. We have a working technology or prototypes here that we can create electricity from vibrations, but then there's always adaptation needed depending on the customer application. So with Deutsche Bahn there's quite a lot of adaptation because we have not been working with this specific application before, but we're getting there, so quite close. So what you have here is something that looks like a battery. And that's the purpose of it, because what we do is that we have a battery that never runs out of power. And when you subject this to vibrations, when it's on a surface that is moving, there's a magnet inside that is moving up and down and within a copper coil. And that creates a current, and we transform that into electricity. So as long as this table would be vibrating, we would create electricity. Right now we're working with pilot projects, so the entire project is quite based on a support system because we want to learn from the customer as well. So right now we are at the site when it's working to see that everything's okay, and obviously we want happy customers. So if that would break, we would replace it with a new unit without any cost. But how it will look in the future when we distribute high volumes, we're not completely sure yet. We're working on different concepts and iterating them with our customers to see what suits them the best.
Revibe hat seit seiner Gründung in einem Inkubatorprogramm noch 4 weitere Acceleratoren durchlaufen, um das heutige Produkt zu entwickeln. Primär ist das Ziel, ein Business Case zu entwerfen. Mit dem Demo Day vor Investoren ist die Zeit von Revibe in Berlin nun vorbei. Auch wenn die Massenproduktion noch in weiter Ferne ist und noch ausführliche Tests notwendig sind, glauben die 3 Jungs an die große Zukunft dieser Technologie.
So the next step would be to get all the certifications we need to make it in the railway industry and the other industries we're working, and then within a year or 2 sell volume deals. So a lot of product. In 2019 will be the big break year for us, so about in 2 years' time. Yeah, most of our clients are international, so we're not depending on Germany or Sweden for that matter as a country. But right now the rest of the team back in Gothenburg, I'm going to relocate back as well. But when the fall hits, when summer is over, we'll see. We're thinking about expanding to Berlin again, to our sales office down here. But nothing is decided, so we could easily be staying in Gothenburg, or expanding to Stockholm, or expanding to the US. We'll see what fits the bill the best. Well, producing the product wasn't really the problem. The problem was to get access to the tracks. We haven't done the pilot test yet with Deutsche Bahn. We've tested everything in lab environment, which is great, showed great results. But we're going to do the field tests in late March or April. And it's not because they haven't performed, it's just that everything takes time in such a large organization as DB. So